Question number 151. Read the statements given below and identify true and false among them. The very first statement A says silicosis, asbestosis, and babesiosis are occupational respiratory disorders, and this is an incorrect statement. It is a false statement because babesiosis, it is caused by protozoan called Babesia. Babesia in RBCs in cattle. The next statement says reduction in pH of blood results in decline in affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen is a correct statement. It is a true statement. The next statement C says bulk of carbon dioxide released from body tissues into blood is transported as carboxyhemoglobin and bicarbonate form. And this is an incorrect statement. It is a false statement because 7% of carbon dioxide travels in dissolved form in plasma, while 23% is transported as carbaminohemoglobin. As carbaminohemoglobin and not carboxyhemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin is complex of carbon monoxide and hemoglobin. Select the correct option, and the correct option is option number 3. First statement false, second statement 2, and third statement false statement. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 152. Choose the option which is not a part of downstream processing with respect to the desired product, and the options are separation, purification, preservation, and expression. And the correct answer is option number 4, expression. It is not a part of downstream processing. Expression of protein in desired host is not a part of downstream processing. Processes such as separation, purification, and preservation, these are the part of downstream processing. So these cannot be the correct answer, and the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 153. EC number of which enzyme used in RDT, recombinant DNA technology, is likely to be 6.5.1.1. And the options given are EcoR1, HIND2, DNA ligase, alkaline phosphatase. Now, ligase belongs to class 6 of enzyme. It belongs to class 6 of enzyme. So the first digit is 6 for ligase. EcoR1 and HIND2, these are restriction endonucleases that belong to hydrolases. And this class is class 3. So the number EC number would start with 3. So option number 1 and option number 2 cannot be a correct answer. Option number 3 is the correct answer to our question, and option number 4, alkaline phosphatase, is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 154. Select the correct match. The very first match says chitinase, and the match is used for removal of histone proteins from fungal DNA. And this is an incorrect match because chitinase enables to break down the cell wall of fungal cells, while proteases removes histone proteins. The next match is selectable marker, and the match says gene whose expression helps to identify transformed cells. And as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question. The next match is ethidium bromide, intercalating dye that helps to visualize DNA with naked eyes in visible light, and this is an incorrect match because ethidium bromide is an intercalating dye that helps to visualize DNA in UV light. The last match is PCR. Sequence of steps involve annealing, denaturation, extension is an incorrect match because in PCR the sequence of steps involves denaturation, annealing followed by extension. So the very first step is denaturation, second step annealing, third step extension. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 155. Herbicide developed by Monsanto to kill broadleaf weeds that compete with crops is. The options are Roundup, BT cotton, RNAi, Flavor 7. Herbicide developed by Monsanto is glyphosate. And Roundup is trade name for glyphosate. So the correct answer is option number 1. BT cotton is incorrect because BT cotton is insect resistant cotton. RNA interference is incorrect. RNA interference can prevent crops from parasite damage. Flavor saver is incorrect. It is improved variety of tomato. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question.